Hello everyone, welcome to my nookery. My name is Linda and I'm based in the UK. How are you all doing today? I hope everybody's well. Today we are going to pick the winner of January's sock yarn giveaway. This is the sock yarn that is up for grabs today, Head Over Heels by Stylecraft. And this is called a Promenade. You get a little container with 10 light bulb stitch markers, and you also get Knit Pro Zing 2.5mm needles. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn you around, let's go to the computer, pick a winner, and yeah, so good luck everybody. Let's go and pick that winner. Okay, so this is the video and I'm just about to copy the URL. We'll go to random.org, paste it in there, and I'm going to filter for duplicate, and the word was socks, I do believe. Yes, and I need to do the sum and get YouTube comments. 146. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. So let's see who random will pick. Good luck, everyone. Knitting Purple, yay! I love knitting toe-up Flegel heel socks, but I am slow and get distracted and start new things. I think we all do that, Knitting Purple. So now, guys, I'm just going to see if she is actually subscribed to me, because as you know, this is, there we go. I'm going to stop you here and I'll come back once I've found myself. There we are, guys. Knitting Purple is definitely subscribed to me. So, congratulations, Knitting Purple. So, congratulations, Knitting Purple. So what you need to do, sweetheart, is email me at this address, your postal address, and I can get your parcel sent out to you. So, thank you to each and every one of you who entered. February there will be another sock yarn giveaway, and don't forget, guys, you must be subscribed to my channel to enter, because after all, these giveaways are for you, my subscribers, as a little thank you for being part of my YouTube family. So if you're new here, don't forget to hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you get notifications of every time I put a video out, which is on a Tuesday, Thursday and Sunday, and every Wednesday at 5 p.m. GMT I am live. So I look forward to seeing you all real soon, guys. Take care, stay safe, but more importantly, guys, be kind to you, and until the next video, bye.